We have to find if the given curve is concave upward or concave downward. To do this, first we have to find first derivative, next the second derivative, and calculate the value of the second derivative for x equals 2. If we get positive value, it means that our curve is concave upward. If we get negative value, it means that our curve is concave downward. So first we have to calculate the first derivative. Y prime is equal derivative of x to power 5 is 5, x to 4 plus, and derivative of x to third is 3, x squared. So now we have to find the second derivative. So we have to find derivative of our first derivative. So it will be 5 times 4 times x to power third plus 3 times 2 times x to power first. I don't have to write. So the second derivative is equal 20 x to third plus 6x. Now we have to calculate the value of second derivative for x equals 2. So y piece of 2 is equal 20 times 2 to power 3 plus 6 times 2. So this is equal, we copy 20, 2 to third power is 8 plus 12, so this is equal, 20 times 8 is 160 plus 12, it will be 172. The value of the second derivative for x equals 2 is positive. Positive second derivative for x equals 2 means that our curve is concave upward at that point. So we can write y is concave upward.